Hi, I'm James Davey. In this short video, we're going to be looking at the importance of unified vowels for making a good choir sound. So we have 5 vowels in our language. In fact, in most languages that we will ever usually sing in, there are 5 vowels, but there are more vowels in other languages. A, E, I, O and U. But when we sing them, they're slightly different. R, E, O, U. Okay? E, Very good. So, the reason we use that NG is to make sure that we're not letting all of the air escape too quickly and that we are using our support as we begin to sing each of the vowels. So we're going to join them up now into one flowing thing. E, R, or U. Very good.